Hello everybody, it's YGX Games here, and today, if you're wondering why I'm on this, it's because for my first gaming video, I wanted to add, for my first gaming video, the fact that my account actually got deleted. Yep, I'm not even kidding. Okay, so first of all, I tried to make a video that's now in heaven for this, for this channel, and sorry, I can't talk today, and what's really sad is the fact that I intended for that obby to only give me a warning, and I never wanted it to go this far. Rest in peace. And I guess this was my personal Roblox account. It's gone. Okay. It's just gone. Oh my god. I've already lost 2 other accounts, and let me explain that. Let me explain that for a sec. So, the first account, called Narwhals, it's like this, but remove these. Something went on with my password, so I couldn't log in again. And it just made me so heartbroken. The second account, which is just Narwhals 2, unlike this isn't real because I can't reveal my own. I don't want to reveal my own. Anyways, that one I forgot the password to it. And then this one, I got banned. Oh, God. This happened to my friend, and it was due to offensive stuff. And even then I didn't even post the video. And I feel like this doesn't even exist anymore. I'm almost in tears. I didn't even post the other videos, and that was the latest one. I'm not sure if I did post it or not, but overall, I don't know. By the way, one thing with my how do you make friends with eating apples, that one, I'm sorry for clickbaiting, but I just put a random name in the photo editor, and then it was like that. And then I'm not going to be doing the reaction part. I am going to be doing a few randomness though, but overall it's kind of sad. Okay, I'm gonna go on this official account for them. First of all, I'm probably going to in players. It's gone. No. Can't believe it. No. They completely deleted it. They didn't actually just ban me, but they deleted me. They actually deleted me. Because there are differences between warnings, bans, and deletion. Deletion. Ow. And then. So, So with the warnings, you can activate the account as long as they'll just give you a warning. And they say if you do it again, they'll just ban you. And then if you manage to do that one last time, they'll probably delete you. But mine went so far. Okay, if you don't know Nixter V, I'd like to. I like his videos. He's a good YouTuber. If no one knows Nixter V, he once got a warning for doing the same thing I did. And this is exactly what I did. The exact same thing I did. Except for the fact that for some reason I didn't even get any players. No one played my account. Oh, man, repairs and stuff like that. No one actually played it, and I guess the moderators were not impressed. I guess the moderators were not impressed at all. So then the difference with bans, they just like put you on a strike. They put you on a straight strike. You're like, you can't even you can't do it for a week or a day, and you can really only activate your account again once it's over. And then the final one, deletion. Deletion? Anyways, deletion. I'll just say deletion. So, with deletion, it sounds so ridiculous. I'm gonna dress myself up the exact way I did the other. Deletion, they straight up remove you. You're gone. Ban, it's like, ban and warning, you can get your account back. You can just get your account back, and it's okay. It's okay with all that. But when you're deleted, you can't get your account back. They've completely deleted your account from the entire Roblox site. And for bans, they just color your background, but for deletes, you can't even search your own name anymore. And I have to earn back what I got last time. I also got like I got stuff like I got a backpack from an event, and it was pretty easy. It was an elemental battlegrounds, and it was pretty easy. You just needed to kind of at least try to attack the boss. Try to attack the boss and don't get killed. Just avoid getting killed, and you're pretty much in the clear. But I have to stop the video before it gets a bit long. And even then, winning the event was a piece of cake. You can get that item before events end. And in fact, once I stop this video, I'm gonna make another video right away. Just naming it, trying to get my things back after I delete my account. Yeah, pretty much. And if this ever happens to you, tell me, and then tell me why. And if you planned on doing this in real life, though, It's okay, it's okay. It's real okay, it's really okay. Because I know even if you did deserve it, it's really okay because it's not a real game. It shouldn't be taken personally. And if it's taken personally, I'm here to help you with it. Because if it's taken personally and it causes problems, don't worry. It's only a game and you can remake an account. So basically what I'm saying is don't take bans, deletion, my pronunciation in English, personally, because it's just a game. Remember, you can dress up your character the exact same way and make a beautiful new name. This is now the channel Roblox account. Yay! By the way, I'll tell you something about the how to make apples video. How to make friends eating apples, sorry. I'm not actually gonna do any reactions. I'm sorry, I'm not ready to show my face. No. Well, anyways. There's also a tip on how to get a solo backpack. Just go to this, and then try not to get killed, and also try to attack at the boss. If you try to attack at the boss, they'll give you it anyways. They'll just say, ding, 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 you got it. Don't find the sound master, though. It's a complete waste of time. And don't do any of these other things if you have limited time on your hands and you're a noob. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you keep watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and oh wait, I forgot something. And I'll mention it in the next video. Bye!